Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Challenger LS, stock reference number 5029. This shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard just has 2 screw holes where the aerial has been mounted. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, chrome, non-indicator type. Left front door has 7 small dents, as does the left rear door. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage apart from a bit of paint fade on the top of the tailgate. Tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar cutout, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 7 small dents. Right front door has 5 small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.